Finally, I want to share with you a secret that has helped a lot of YouTubers grow in their YouTube automation careers. Many YouTubers talk about different methods, and most of these methods are already known by everyone, but today, I'm going to share something different with you. I want to show you how you can use only YouTube Studio to help yourself grow, without relying on complicated tools or strategies. Here's an example you can see inside my YouTube Studio. I'm going to show you a list of keywords that I've found. As you can see, these keywords have low competition and high search volume. That means they have a strong score and great potential for growth. And the best part is, you can find these keywords directly inside YouTube Studio. You don't need any paid tools or external software. This method works using only the built-in features of YouTube Creator Studio. You can also see my thumbnail score here. This video has a very high score, 95+, which shows that it has strong potential to perform well. And yes, this method actually works. The best part? I'm using only AI tools for both thumbnail creation and keyword research. That's the secret tip I wanted to share with you, and it's completely free. That's it for today's video. But I have a small request. I want to grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers and complete my watch time. Once I reach that goal, I will share a complete, updated method that has helped many YouTubers succeed. And if you follow this method for 2 to 3 months, you'll start seeing real results. Most paid courses don't really work. That's why I want to share this knowledge with you for free. So please support the channel, share this video, and help me reach my goal. I'll see you in the next video.